Oh, what are you doing? You taking a picture? Are you serious right now? Haley is a jive time
Hey,
trick.
Grant.
You know I'm mad.
Why are you mad?
Put that dumb camera out of my face.
So it's Saturday morning now. I'm about to go to the ATM again, and then I think I'm gonna go get my nails done. But I'm really kind of loving my outfit today. It's kind of weird, but I kind of like it. I decided to come into my mom's bathroom just to change the scenery. And so I'm wearing this, like, the fake True Grit type thing, but not even. It's more just like, I don't know, is posh the word? Is that stupid? Just like this fuzzy jacket with a hood. It's really cute. And then I paired it with this just pink sweater from, I think, from Forever 21 as well. And then just a black bralette. And then I was going to wear my Timbs, but I just put on my white Air Force Ones and leggings. So yeah, I kind of like this outfit. It's cute. But today is my last full day at home, so it's kind of sad. Like, I don't really want to leave. I don't want to go back to doing schoolwork and stuff. And I still haven't done the work that's due when I go back to my class that's year-long studio. So I need to do 5 drawings and find something that's designed well today. Well, tomorrow, just before I leave tomorrow. But I really want to vlog my way back to school. Even if I don't keep up vlogging while I'm at school, I think it'd be nice to look back on just like how I get home. You know what I mean? I don't know. We'll see. So yeah. So I just got out of the nail salon. I got my eyebrows done. They look nice. It'll be fine because I don't have anyone there to get my eyebrows done at school. So it was nice to get them done. And then I got my nails done. I got them in this like mauve-y pink color. I really like them. It's different. I usually only get like light colors on my nails, like light pink, light blue, or light purple, but I really like the mauve color, so I tried that. But I'm really thirsty, so I think I'm gonna go get some sweet tea from somewhere since I'm not drinking soda, and maybe like a snack or something. So yeah. So I decided to treat myself. I keep on seeing a shadow and thinking it's someone. But I decided to treat myself with a Chick-fil-A chocolate milk shake. It's like 10 a.m. Missing someone. So we're at Wild Wings. Grant, listen to this.
Well, I ate 8 chicken wings.
How many did you eat?
8.
I think you ate the same as me or more. What about you, Dad?
I think I finished up everything else.
You got 30 wings. Yeah.
It's very, very upsetting that you threw that food away. I think about family at that point in time.
I think I'm gonna vomit.
Grant doesn't have this thing on a vlog. So are you actually vlogging?
He's nutso.
Vlogger now?
I am a vlogger.
Ooh. Hey, so you're gonna put me on the thumbnail?
I'm burning up.
No, literally, she's like burning. But it's gonna go viral.
This isn't a joke.
Yeah.
Hey, you know everybody has the high top fades. Back in the days, we used to smack the back every time they get a good little fade.
Oh yeah, cause that hurts.
Pow.
You should
But
do it.
really, it was like it was a term of endearment because, it's pretty cool, if you're looking fresh, Oh, way to go, Grant. Yeah, I like that. You're wearing really good shoes. One of your boys to step on your shoes. That means they're kind of hating.
Yeah. So my sister calls us girls. She's like, "Let's go, girls," and it's so annoying.
It is rude.
Oh my god.
She needs to stop it.
Oh my god.
I agree with him, but he's scaring me. He is actually scaring me. Like, I'm scared.
You want to hit it?
Can you do another?
So I'm in the car right now with my family.
You can do what you call it. Hold on. Yeah.
So my dad is driving us home.
You're gonna get copyright.
Yeah, like how does he get copyright? Oh, what are you doing? You taking a picture? Are you serious right now? Haley is a jive time
Hey,
trick.
Grant.
You know I'm mad.
Why are you mad?
Put that dumb camera out of my face. Hit me. Here.
Oh, I'm out of bounds. Oh. Oh.
Grant's playing 2K and he made my dad a character. And he's loving it. I just finished like editing this vlog and just like going through the day, and I spent most of my day packing to go home. So I think I'm gonna show you guys my room before I leave because my mom might redo it while I'm gone. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that. What I just filmed was my door. So I just want to keep in mind that my room is very outdated of me and my style. That's my parents. But that's what my mom's going to be redoing my room because it's a mess, honestly. But I just want to like document it because it's like my childhood room and I want to see it in the future and stuff. I don't know if it changes, so let's see. So first I have these two posters from Redbubble, and Grant made me this. This is a Childish Gambino poster, and then this is Kanye West poster, and then you see this little babe cave sign that I made at my friend Ella's house, and then I have a few pictures, and then that's for jewelry, but I don't ever use it. And then I have my name and my little curtain and my little nightstand. Over here you see like some gifts, and these fat heads that are my brother's that he put in here when he redid his room, so those will hopefully be going down. And then you see my like dresser thing. I love this thing, it's so nice, and I keep my purses above it, but most of them are at school. A lot of my stuff is at school, like the posters that I use and stuff, so you'll see those when I go back to school. And then you see this that my mom put up that she made for my 10th birthday, but that's usually not up. She put that up when I went to school. And so this is my bed. Just a plain white comforter. There's pillows from like everywhere. I really love the tie-dye pillowcases. I got those from Etsy. And then over here you see like my little TV desk thing. And so what I did was I moved my nightstand, not my nightstand, my desk, so it was close to my bed. I don't know why, I just liked that feel. And I liked having the TV here because I never really used my desk in high school and stuff. And then above my desk, I have my hats. So I have this hat that I thrifted with Goofy on it. I think it's so sick. And then I have this hat I got in Switzerland, just a denim hat. And then I have this pink ribbon polo hat. And then I have some books. And then I have this that I made. It's so ratchet. It says, "Believe in your finest, conquer your shyness." This is just one of my favorite quotes from Kanye West. And then if you move up to the art over my bed, I have that I made. It's on foam board, honestly. So this summer I want to remake all my art. And then my friend Ella made this for me. It's lopsided, but I love it. I don't know why. I just really like it. And I feel like if my room was painted white, it would look really cool, which I hope my mom paints it white. And then I have this. This is so ratchet, but I liked it. Like, I like it because of that, because that's what the quote kind of goes with. And it's like, this is my canvas. I'm going to paint it how I want it. J. Cole. And then you move over, and I have this evil eye in 3. I use that to represent Chance. And then I have this little painting that I did, and I put like old book pages behind it. I really like that. And then I did one with all of Childish Gambino's lyrics and songs. And then I'm going to stand on my bed. I have this chair picture, and then I have this little Converse sign that I made, and then I have this thing that says "Spaced Out" with an evil eye. I have a picture that I got in Europe, and then a Chanel sign thing that one of my friends made me, and then I have a framed picture of Harry Styles in my room because why not? From here you can see a lot of the little trinkets that I made and put under my desk. First, I decided to do like a little bookshelf because I thought that was cute. And then I painted that arrow that's right there, and I made that like bird bath jewelry place at like a ceramic shop. There's multiple things that I made with ceramics over here. So let me go into that. So first, I have this little owl that I made a long time ago. And then I have like a candle that my friend got me, some note cards, white out. And then over here, I have little wristlets, like some little Coach wristlets. So I have this one, and then this one. I don't really use them, but they're cute. Then I have this bear with my cousins on it. Then I have this little dog that I made with this at ceramics place, and this little turtle. Here's the bird bath. I just keep miscellaneous things in it. There's the arrow that I made, and then I also have this Native American like coin holder type thing. I just enjoy it. That was one of my favorite things that I've ever made. I also made this like little collage thing one year because I don't know, Childish Gambino inspired it, and so yeah, that's that. Yeah, most of the stuff I did in my room I did when I was like in middle school and high school. just to try to make my room my own. Like, I remember I used to cover the sockets and like color on them and stuff to try, I don't know, just to try to make things mine. I love doing that. But yeah, that'd be really fun, like a really fun thing for me to do when I come home over the summer and spring break and stuff, because doing my dorm room was so fun for me. Like, I loved it. Like, I love interior design, so I can't wait to show you guys that too. But yeah, so I really hope that she does redo it. She repaints it or something so I can redo it. Yeah, thanks for watching my childhood room tour. This is what it is. This is what it looks like. I used to be so embarrassed in my room. I'd be like, it's so ugly. It's not me. But I mean, it's whatever. It's a room. I live there, and I did make it my own in different ways. So yeah.
Keep all your dreams, keep standing.